Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here, and this is April the 7th, and as you can see, we're getting some fresh snow. Anyway, I don't know if we're ever going to get spring this year, but we'll take what we get. The reason for today's video is to tell you about a new saw I got. Well, it's new to me. It's from one of my subscribers. He's been subscribed to me for a long time, 3 years I believe, and it's a Silky Gomboy. It's made in Japan, and on YouTube everybody talks about how great these saws are, and we're going to give it a try. I've got my other saw with me too, the one I normally use. This is just a little cheapo $20 thing I bought at the local sports store, and it's quite a bit shorter. Just get it open here. And this is the saw I normally use. It's the Buckner, and I believe it's like 9 inches long. That's 9 inches is the blade. And, you know, I thought it cut pretty well, but it doesn't cut like really big logs, and it cuts a lot slower in hardwoods than it does in softwoods. So a lot of my videos, I'm typically cutting pine or spruce or poplar. When I move into maples and stuff, it takes a lot longer to cut. So anyway, we're going to go out into the woods and compare these two saws. Why don't you come along? Wow, the trees look so pretty when they're covered with freshly fallen snow like this. Beautiful. Okay, so here's a branch. It's about 2 centimeters in diameter. Well, maybe it's a little bit less than that. No, that's 2 centimeters. It's about an inch in diameter, inch and a half. And first I'm going to cut it with my old saw. Just see how long that takes. And then I'm going to cut over here with the Silky, which is slightly larger in diameter, and we'll just see how well it does. That's a Silky. And there's the Buckner. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so that didn't take very long, but again, this is, it's poplar. So it's a relatively soft hardwood. Now we'll try the Silky. And here, it's a little bit thicker than that was. There, 6 draws. I don't know how many times I sliced to cut through that, but this was only 6 draws, like pulling on the backstroke. Yeah, that cuts like a knife, a hot knife through butter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. That's incredible. Yeah, so as I said, that was sent to me by a friend of mine who's been a subscriber for me, or who's been a subscriber of my channel for, it's got to be at least 3 years now. And anyway, he lives in the States, and he sent that to me, and Boy, oh boy, John, this is really a nice saw. Thank you very much, and I'll think of you every time I use it. So, till next time, this is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.